guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today I got a bunch of really cute and easy hairstyles, and I'm going to use some scrunchies because who doesn't love scrunchies, right? This is just how I like to wear my hair, and I want to share that with you guys. So let's get right into the video. Hairstyle I have for you guys is just a regular bun. I mean, everyone knows how to do a bun. It's really easy, but I still want to show you guys how I do my buns. So for this hairstyle I have this really cute red scrunchie, and the first thing that you want to do is just like flip your hair like that. You just like bend forwards a little bit, and you grab all your hair like that. Wow. Like that into a little high pony. And then what I like to do is I just like grab my tiny ponytail and just like wrap it around like that. And then have this little mini bun. What you then want to do is you grab your scrunchie and just tie it around your bun. Really easy and cute. I just have a really tiny bun because my hair isn't that long, but that depends on like how long your hair is. And you can like pull some strands out if you want to make it a little messier. You have it, first hairstyle. I mean, it's really cute and easy, and it's just for those days where you don't really want to put any effort into your hair, but you still want to look cute and put together. So that's why. So the second hairstyle I got for you guys is a low bun. Basically it's the same as the bun like high on your head, but then like low. I mean, it's a bun, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So for this hairstyle I'm going to grab this really cute pink scrunchie like that, and then you just want to, it's really easy, you just like grab your hair, like put it backwards like that. You can do this too, like leave some strands out like from your face like that. And then let me turn around for you guys. Pony, and then you're just gonna like put it like that, just like put your pony like double, kind of like, I'm really bad at explaining this, but then you just secure it with your scrunchie, and there you have it. Like make it a little more messy like that. There you have it, a low bun. Another hairstyle I have for you guys is the low ponytail, and I know it's basically like exactly the same as the low bun, but instead of like making it into a bun, we're just gonna keep the ponytail. And I've seen this hairstyle a lot on Instagram, and I really liked it, so I wanted to include it in this video. So here we go. It's the same process as the bun. We're just gonna like put our hair back like that. My hair on my face like that. And then we have our low ponytail, and I'm just gonna put a scrunchie around my hair, just like loosen it up a little bit so it looks like a little more messy. You can put it like sideways, you can put it like that, put some strands out, like tuck a little between your hair, behind your ears, while between my hair. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So this hairstyle is my absolute favorite. I mean, like 6 out of 7 days a week, this is how I wear my hair. Half up ponytail, I absolutely love it. And I love it that it's like half up, half down. So at the same time you're wearing your hair, like it feels like you're wearing your hair down, but it's still like your hair is like still out of your face, and that's what I absolutely love about this. So what you want to do is like go from like the top like corners of your eyebrows like that. Just like put your fingers in your hair like that. And just like put that like, you know, like backwards. And then what I like to do is like grab like a few extra strands like along the side of my face like that. And then you have this like that. You're gonna secure that with a scrunchie, and you're just, yeah, like alter it to your taste like that. There you have it, the half up ponytail. I absolutely love this. I hope you guys will love it too. Instead of the half up ponytail, I have the half up bun for you guys. This is like just like the low bun and low ponytail. I do this with a bun too, and I tend to do the bun a little lower on my head than I do the ponytail. I just find that more flattering for me, but you can do whatever you like. If you like it higher on your head, you can do that. I just like to do it a little low. For this, I do my hair like, I just grab it like that. I just like grab it like more towards the back of my head. That's just what I like that, just like ponytail. But what I like to do is like just like the low bun is like grab it like double, and then secure it with scrunchie, like alter it a little bit, just like make it like more to your liking like that. Just strands like from the front of the face. Just a cute little bun with your hair like half down. Also like really easy. This is already the last hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys, and it's a little more complicated than the ones that I've showed you before, but it's so really easy and heatless, and you can do it in a few minutes. So it's basically going to be 2 little braids like right here, and like braid it to like kind of where the half up bun was, and then we're going to secure it with a scrunchie into a like half up ponytail. So I'm going to have my hair in a middle part, as I'm going to do like 2 little braids like that. So I'm just going to tuck this behind my ear to kind of like keep it out of the way from like this side of my head, and don't expect this to be like perfect braids. Like I can't really do perfect braids, like I'm not that good. I like the braids a little messier, so it's totally fine that the braids are not going to turn out perfect. So what you want to do is just like grab a little like almost like a little triangle like that, just like on the front like of your head, like for the first part of the braid. You're gonna divide this, I don't know if you guys can see, but you're gonna divide this into like little strands, 3 little strands, I'm sorry, like that. And then first you want to do like 2 or 3 times like a normal braid, like you just like put braids under the middle part, you know, like just braid like you normally would do a braid like that. And then if you've done that like 2 or 3 times, you're just gonna grab we're just gonna grab a few, like a little strand, and like add that to the braid. We're gonna do the same on this side. Just like add a strand of hair to the braid. And you're gonna do this each time now. So we're just gonna like that, like add a strand of hair to the braid. And then you're just gonna continue until you're like more towards the middle part of your head. This half braid with a bobby pin like that. And then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side of your hat. So you're just going to start out with a little triangle. And I find this side of my hat to be like a little more difficult than the last one. Parts into like the middle of her head, like that. I'm just gonna remove the bobby pin from one side, and be careful so you don't like lose half your braid. Like I think I'm doing right here. And then you are just gonna secure this with a scrunchie. And there you have it. So it's basically like, it's almost a low pony, but then with like some braids to make it look. Have it. So basically this is just like the low bun, like a little on the back of my head, but then with like two little braids to make it a little more special, but it's still really easy as you can see. And you don't have to make perfect braids to make this one work. I like the way the braids look like really messy like this. So hairstyles are for you, or nothing can fix your bad hair day. We all experience that sometimes, to be honest. Just throw on a cute hat like this. I still have my braids in, so it doesn't look like it will look if you have your hair like down completely, but just throw on a cute hat and you're fine. I mean, like, this is really cute. It can cover up like any bad hair day. This can cover up any bad hair day you might have. Procrastinated washing your hair a little too long. Just throw on a cute hat. It's simple and easy. So that is it for this video. I hope you like all my hairstyles, and if any of this is for you, like, leave a comment down below if you've tried any of these hairstyles and if you like them or not. And if you like this video, put a big thumbs up, subscribe, and put your post notifications on so you know whenever I post a new video. I post a video every single week. So I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!